This is step 3 of the Minimalist Slim Wallet tutorial from my Etsy shop, KomonoStudioMKE. Let's walk through how to attach the zipper to your wallet. Here I have the main body of the exterior piece, the interior lining piece, and 2 pocket pieces. Start by placing the exterior piece right side up. Then position the zipper face down along the top edge. With the zipper pull facing down toward the fabric, use clips to hold it in place. Step 3-2. Next, take one pocket piece and place it right side down on top of the zipper. The right sides of both the pocket and exterior pieces should be facing each other, with the zipper sandwiched in between. Clip to secure. Step 3-3. Fold the corner of the zipper at a 45-degree angle towards the pocket piece. Repeat on the other side. This step is optional, but it really enhances the final look of the wallet by reducing bulk at both ends of the zipper. Step 3-4. Sew the top edge through all layers with a zipper foot and 1/4 inch seam allowance. When you reach the zipper pull, stop with the needle down, lift the presser foot, slide the pull past, and continue sewing. Step 3-5. Once you've finished sewing, carefully trim the folded zipper end. Just be careful not to cut into the fabric. Step 3-6. Now we are going to repeat the same step on the other side. Lay the wallet with the exterior piece right side up, making sure the first pocket piece is tucked underneath and out of the way. Place the main body lining right side facing down, lining it up with the top edge of the zipper. The zipper should be facing up. Clip it to secure in place. Flip the whole piece over so the first pocket is now facing up. Place the second pocket piece facing right side down on top of the zipper. Clip it to secure in place. Sew the top edge through all layers with a zipper foot and 1/4 inch seam allowance, making sure to fold the corner of the zipper at a 45-degree angle. Once the zipper is attached, your wallet should look something like this. Press the fabric away from the zipper using your fingers or a pressing tool, and top stitch along both sides of the zipper for a neat finish. That completes step 3 of the Minimalist Slim Wallet tutorial. Thanks for following along and happy sewing!